In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up local delivery for your online store in Wix. It's a straightforward process that allows you to offer your customers an even more personalized shopping experience by having their orders delivered directly to their doorsteps. Let's begin by navigating to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself at the home page of your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your website. From here, look for the Settings option, typically located in the side menu. By clicking on Settings, you'll be presented with a variety of options related to the configuration and management of your Wix store. Our next step is to locate and click on Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage how you want to handle distribution logistics, including where and how your products reach your customers. Now, to add a local delivery option, you need to select the country where you want this service to be available. Once selected, click on Add Rate. This is where you will begin to tailor your delivery options. After completing this step, select Local Delivery from the available choices. This ensures that your customers see the local delivery option during the checkout process. With local delivery selected, you will need to choose a rate. Consider this carefully. The rate you set could be a flat rate, a rate based on distance, or even free, depending on your business model and customer needs. It's important to ensure that this rate is competitive and reflects your delivery service's value. Once you have decided on the rate, type the name of this delivery method as you want it to appear at checkout. This is how your customers will see it, so choose something clear and concise, such as local delivery or same-day delivery. The rate you set needs to be typed in next, allowing customers to see clear pricing when they select the local delivery option at checkout. Next, enter the address details. This information establishes the starting point for your local deliveries, so be sure to provide an accurate and complete address. After entering the address, it's time to set the delivery time. Customers appreciate knowing when to expect their delivery, so be as precise as possible. For instance, you might offer different windows like morning, afternoon, or evening slots. You'll then need to type in the set time directly into the provided field to finalize it. Finally, click on Add to save all your changes. And there you have it. Your local delivery setup is complete, and customers can now enjoy this convenient option during their shopping experience. By providing a local delivery service, you're giving your store a competitive edge and ensuring your customers have a seamless and enjoyable online shopping experience. Don't hesitate to revisit these settings and adjust them if you need to refine your delivery parameters further.